Hello people, I've got the I.F.S replacement channel feeder line, or whatever it's called. This is the one that didn't recognise the filament anymore and wouldn't pull it through. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but this one's number 1. That is where I did most of my printing on channel 1, all in one colour, but large items like ducting and stuff like that takes up a lot of filament in one go, so maybe it's advisable to do a reel on 1 and then a reel on 2 and a reel on 3, so you got even the wear out. Hopefully it's going to be alright after. Right, this, how does it come apart? Okay, there are screws in there. So I'll point them out. Let's see them. We've got 2 screws in there, down there. We've got 2 screws down there, and then 2 screws at the side by the circuit board there. So is that? See them in there? Down there. Let's get them out. Guess I've got to come out. I haven't got the removal tool with me. Right, in a minute. I pulled these tubes out. I did undo one of them. You have to bend this plastic up to get these to go past that on there, and that one is a bit close, so you can just undo these with a pair of long nose pliers. It will come out if you bend it out of the way. So I also put a little mark on there so I remember which one. And there I go. Oh, there are actually step motors in there. Look. 2 step motors, PG64 1, PG64 and PG64 1. RV step motors. Circuit board there. Glued on and plugged in there. So let's see how it comes apart. Maybe you have to take that. I'm going to take this back plate off. It is spring loaded, so be warned. I'm not sure if it's the right thing to do, but I think it's going to have to come out to these sides, right? Not too hard springs. There you go. Actually not that bad. Put this back on here, eh? I mean, stronger on that. Is that good? Yes, sir. Just take that end off, and then you can slide it out. So there's 2 screws there for 6 screws off of that end. Might put a little bit of grease in there. It's right at this end now, isn't it? I think, by the looks of it, you've got to slide them all out that way first. Oh, of course you do. Right, let's unplug them all. I'm just going to disconnect these ribbon cables. Found the spudger. easily. So let's get that all out. Now it should be like just there, there you go, slide them off. That's oh, saying that, these come out. Yeah, with the bearing and this. Right, so there's 2 set screws in there to take both of them off. Get that off. Take that out. Can't get it out now yet. There's a bit of grease on there. Well, I'll take that apart at some point. Let's get the new one in. Put them in there. Put one back in there. There we go. Back on. Hold them in. fairly easy to do. Get the replacement. Let's see if channel 1 now auto feeds. It's got a bit of leave that hanging on there, it's not very good. No. Bung that in there. Just detected it going in. And yeah, it is working again. So that was a successful repair. I still don't know what went wrong on that. It must have been the Hall effect sensor. Anyway, easy repaired. It should stop around now. Yeah, that's working.